A very warm welcome to my dear students. How are you all? Once again, I welcome you all in today's maths class. But before we begin the class, let us join our hands and close our eyes and begin with this short prayer. Dear Lord, please embrace your loving arms around my family and friends. Keep them always protected, secured, loved, and blessed. This I ask in your name, O Lord. Amen. So my dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is two-digit subtraction without borrow. What is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means to take away from a group of things. And minus is the symbol used for subtraction. So this is a minus symbol. Now remember, in subtraction we always use this symbol, and we have already learned that in addition we use plus symbol. So whenever you see this symbol, that means we have to do subtraction. Now these are the subtraction keywords, such as how many are left, minus, subtract, remains, count back, less than, decrease, take away. So all these words are known as subtraction keywords. So we have learned addition keywords. Now these are the subtraction keywords. Let us go back to class 1 and recall what we learned. So here is an example. Here is an example of subtraction. Subtract 9 minus 2. So as you can see in this circle, how many mangoes are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now you have to subtract 2. So first of all, let us write the numbers in the boxes. First you will write the place value, that is only one digit number is there. So ones place. Then you will write 9 and then you will write 2. Put subtraction symbol. And now we have to subtract 2 from 9. That means we will be taking out 2 mangoes from this group. So that means 1 mango is taken out. Then second mango is also taken out. Now let us count how many mangoes are left in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer will be 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now let us learn the steps to subtract two-digit number without borrowing. So these are the steps to be followed while doing two-digit subtraction without borrow. First step is arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value starting from ones place. So same way we have already done in addition. First we arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value. Second step is always write the bigger number on top. So whenever you are doing subtraction, remember you will always write the bigger number on top. Third step is once you have arranged the numbers, start subtracting the numbers from the ones place. So as we were doing in addition, here also we will subtract the numbers from ones place. And the last step is remember when you subtract the numbers, count backward. So in addition we were counting forward, but here we will count backward. Let us take example number 1. Subtract 85 minus 12. So here We will begin by writing the place value. So first, ones will come, then tens will come, and after this, we are going to arrange the numbers. So as you can see, 85 is a bigger number. It will come on top, starting from ones place. So we will write 5 in ones column, 8 in tens column. Now we have 12, so we will write 2 in ones column and 1 in tens column. And now we have to subtract numbers. Remember, we will subtract the number from ones place. So in the ones place, we have 5 and 2. So keep 5 in your mind, take out 2 fingers and count backward from 5. So are you ready? I hope you have taken out 2 fingers. Now let us count backward from 5. So we will get 4 and 3. So the answer will be 3. Now let us come to tens column. So we have 8 and 1 in tens column. So keep 8 in your mind, take out 1 finger and count backward from 8. So we will get 7. So the answer will be 73. Let us take some more example. Subtract 72 minus 40. So what is the first step? Yes, we are going to write the place value, ones and tens. Then, which is a bigger number here? 72. So it will come on top. Starting from ones place, we will write 2 and then 7 in 10. Then we have 40. So we'll write 0 in ones column and 4 in tens column. Then we have to subtract these numbers. So starting from ones place again, we have 2 and 0. Keep 2 in your mind. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. So you don't have to take out any number from 2. So again the answer will be 2 only. As 0 means nothing. So remember, wherever you see 0, the same number will come. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now let us go to tens column. We have 7 and 4 here. So keep 7 in your mind, take out 4 fingers. Are you ready to count backward? Let us count. Starting from 7, we will count backward. We will get 6, 5, 4 and 3. So the answer will be 3. And the final answer is 32. Let us take one more example. So now here you have to subtract 96 and 56. What is the first step? Write down the place value, that is ones and tens. Then arrange the numbers. So as you can see, 96 is the bigger number, it will come on top. So we will write 6 in ones column, 9 in tens column. Then we have 56. So we'll write 6 in ones column and 5 in tens column. Then we have to subtract these numbers starting from ones place. So as you can see here, we have 6 and again 6. So keep 6 in your mind, take out 6 fingers. Are you ready to count backward? Let us count. So we will count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we will get 0. So 6 minus 6 is 0. That means whatever you had, you have taken out all the numbers. 6 minus 6 is 0. So remember, whenever you have the same numbers and you want to subtract those same numbers, you will always get 0. Now let us go to tens column. We have 9 and 5 here. So keep 9 in your mind, take out 5 fingers and count backward from 9. So we'll get 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. So the answer will be 4. And the final answer will be 40. So always remember, whenever you are subtracting the numbers, first write the place value, arrange the numbers starting from ones column. Remember to put the bigger number on top. And whenever you are counting, just remember in subtraction, you will count backward. I hope the topic was clear to you. Now I'm going to upload a worksheet dated 10th August. Kindly complete it in your notebook. We will meet next time with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay happy.